friends, today I'm going to show you this makeup look that is a blue and purple smoky eye. So firstly, I've already done my skincare, and then I'm going to start with a concealer and then an eyeshadow primer. I'm currently using an eyeshadow primer from Too Faced, but I've also used Urban Decay before, and they're both really good. Now the next step is a Kajal eyeliner, and I put this underneath the eyelashes of my lower lashes. I don't put it on the waterline because it's really bad for your eyes, so I put it just underneath the eyelashes. Next is eyebrows, and the way I do this is I use an eyebrow pencil from Rimmel to shape the eyebrows. Next I put an eyeshadow that's close to my skin tone on top to just make them less harsh, and then I close off by using the eyebrow pencil again to define them just that bit more. To make sure that my eyebrows are shaped well, I put the eyebrow pencil at the bottom of my nostril towards my forehead, and then across my eye so it hits my iris. That's where the arch should be, and then to the bottom of my eye, to the corner of my eye, and that's where it should end. Next is eyeliner, and I use this liquid liner from Maybelline. It's the 24-hour one. And I just do a cat eye, but I don't worry so much about it being totally even because I'm going to cover it up with eyeshadow. This is more just to define the lash line and to make my eyes pop a bit more. Now I'm just going to put on some lipstick because I really love lipstick, and I feel like it finishes off the look completely and you just look so put together when you wear lipstick. And it's really important to find the right color for you. And this is just a light brown one. It's just a very subtle color with some sparkles, but it really just finishes the look of it more. If you've seen my other videos, you know I love Sugarpill. Their eyeshadows stay on for so long, and they're so potent, and the color just really pops. And I only have 2 palettes from them, but they fill up like most of my makeup needs, and they're so nice. This is not a sponsored video or anything, I just really love them. So I'm using the purple as the smoky base part. So I'm starting at the outer corner of my eye and working my way towards my nose on the crease, and it's gonna go lighter and lighter the farther towards your nose you go. And then I'm gonna cover up the eyeliner, and I feel like it makes the eyeliner stay on longer as well and doesn't smudge at all, and it just softens it out a bit, and you don't have to worry so much about it being super perfect or anything. And of course, since it is a smoky eye, it's going to be a lot more darker and a lot more shadow at the outer corner of your eye, and then it's going to be lighter everywhere else. Next is red eyeshadow, and I'm just going to put a tiny amount on the inner part of the outer corner towards the middle of my eyelid, but not too much, just a little bit, just so the blue that we put on afterwards will blend in more nicely with the purple, so it's not as harsh, just so it blends really nicely. And honestly, you can finish here and maybe just put some nude eyeshadow towards the inner corner of your eye, and it would also be a really nice look. So next we're going to put on this blue, and I just wanted to show you that my fingers are usually covered in eyeshadow by the time I'm done, because I don't use brushes for the colored eyeshadows, because then I have to wash my brushes more, and I don't want to. So I just use my fingers, which honestly, you can do that without any problems. So I put the blue eyeshadow in the inner part of my lower lid, and then towards the middle and the corner. Now I'm going to put a lot more in the middle part than I'm going to put in the corners, just because the blue makes it pop so much more when you put it just in the middle, and then blend it out towards the corners. And now I'm going to take some white eyeshadow and put it in the very tip of the corner, of the inner corner, where your eye meets your nose. So where it's like the point where your eye meets your nose, that's where I'm going to put the eyeshadow, just to make it pop a bit more and to open up the eye. And it really just blends the colors very nicely together when you mix a lot of colors. So I like to always finish off with a lighter corner in the very inner part of my eye towards my nose, and then a really dark color towards the outer corner of the eye. Now, because I love sparkles, I'm going to put some sparkly blue eyeshadow in the middle part of my lower eyelid, just where your iris would be if you would look straight ahead, just straight up from there, just the middle part of the lower eyelid. It really makes the eye pop a bit more, and it looks like you have bigger eyes, and it just really pulls the whole look together, I think. Next, because I'm feeling a bit fancy, I'm just going to put some right below where the cat eye ends. So where the eyeliner is, I'm just going to put some bright blue eyeshadow right below there, just a small line. Next is a liquid highlighter from Tarte Cosmetics, and it's just really nice and sparkly, and it blends into your skin really well. Now the next and final step is mascara. And then afterwards I'm going to do my hair and change my clothes and put on some jewelry. But mascara is the last step of the makeup part. And there it is. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Thank you for watching.